rain garden that Rutgers and ANJEC worked together to build. It's funded by the William Penn Foundation, right?
The National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and William Penn.
So the idea with this is that the whole parking lot runs off when it rains to this corner of the parking lot, and it usually goes into a catch basin down there, and that dumps it right into the ditch, and it takes it right to the lake, which is behind those trees. So what we're trying to do is, with this garden, we're going to put a cut here and a curb, a cut and a curb down there, and get the water into the garden. And the garden's going to filter out the pollution before it gets to the ditch and before it gets to the lake. It's a very simple practice you can do. It's a landscape feature that can be beautiful. And as soon as these plants grow next year, it's going to be beautiful. And provided we come back and weed it every once in a while, that would be nice, right?
Absolutely.
And the idea is going to be treating a ton of water from this parking lot. Okay, and that's what the goal of it is. And this is something that everybody in their own home can do. So if you have a downspout for your house that's going out to the roadway, you can cut that off and put it into your own little rain garden. It doesn't have to be this big, but it can be a simple rain garden. It's just a shallow depression that's designed to capture and treat stormwater. That's it.
So that's a great point, Chris, because not only is it treating water and it's going to be a beautiful garden, but it can also help pollinators. And so you can help to feed birds and butterflies, which are declining populations. So you've got this great, beautiful feature. You're helping clean water. You can reduce flooding, and you can help pollinators. So it's
and you make your house beautiful. It's great.
It's an awesome project, and we hope it inspires lots of other people to do it. And we're really excited at ANJEC to be partnered with Rutgers and Pilesgrove.
Alright, so in the rain garden, there's really 3 different zones. There's the base zone, which is the lowest part of the rain garden. That part's going to get the most wet. So in that section, there's grasses, wetland grasses like soft rush, blue flag iris, which will flower in the spring, and some New England aster, also purple flowers in the late summer. And those plants are doing really the hard work of the rain garden. They're soaking up the water, and they're cleaning the pollutants that are going to come in off of the roadway. So then the next 2 zones are the sort of the midway up the slope you see around the edge, and then the top of the slope, or the berm of the rain garden. And up there we've got some taller grasses, big blue stem, which is a meadow grass. We've got the shrubs in the back that are just turning red. That's actually a red twig dogwood. Those get bright red in the winter, so they provide some winter interest for the rain garden. And then around the edges, we've got some perennial flowers, monkey flower and foxglove, a white flower and another purple flower. And those will just provide some interest throughout the year, as well as cleaning up the water.